Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the operations cannot be completed error 0x00000709. So if you're unable to set your default printer, this tutorial will hopefully resolve the problem for you without too much of a hassle. So we're going to start by heading over and left clicking on the start button once to open it up. And now you want to type in regedit. Best match that comes up should say regedit. You want to right click on it and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to select Yes. This is from a previous tutorial here, so let me just back out of all this for you guys. So you want to go underneath H key current user. So either double click on this folder or click on the little arrow next to it to expand the view. And now you want to do the same thing for software. And now you want to do it for Microsoft. And then go down to Windows NT, expand that one as well. And then do it for current version. And then you see we have a Windows folder right here. You want to right click on this Windows folder and then left click on permissions. Underneath Allow Full Control, you want to make sure this box is checkmarked right in here. And then click on Apply and OK. And now I'd recommend restarting your computer and then attempt to set the default printer, and hopefully your problem has been resolved. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.